Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my awesome students, how are you today? Have you had a breakfast? I hope you all doing good ya. Alright, let's start our class by praying together. Pray begin. Amen. Finish. Okay, are you ready to start our class for today? Okay, good. Okay, here we go. You can take out your textbooks and then open your books and go to chapter 1 in page 1. Because today we will learn about asking attention, comprehension, and opinion. So why this topic is so important to learn? Because I hope after you learn this topic, you are able to identify and respond to the expressions of asking for attention, asking for comprehension, asking and giving opinion, and you are able to use present continuous tense in sentences and daily conversations. Okay, before we move to the material, I want you to watch this video about asking for attention and please listen carefully to the dialogue.
Listen. I will not repeat the information.
Yes, ma'am. We will listen to you.
Read the second material well for 10 minutes. After that, close your book and I will give you some questions.
Yes, ma'am. We will do it.
Okay, so after you watch the video, what is expression of attention, comprehension, and opinion? Anyone know? Okay, so let me explain to you. So, expressing attention is a method used to ask someone to focus their attention on us, or on the contrary, we focusing our attention on the person who is talking. Jadi, maksudnya di sini adalah expressing attention itu digunakan untuk meminta seseorang untuk memberikan fokus perhatiannya itu kepada kita, atau bisa juga sebaliknya, kita yang memberikan fokus perhatian kita kepada seseorang yang sedang berbicara. So, what is expressing comprehension? So, the expressing comprehension used to find out how deeply someone understand an explanation given. Jadi, maksud dari expressing comprehension di sini, atau yang juga bisa disebut dengan checking for understanding, merupakan sebuah ekspresi atau ungkapan yang digunakan untuk mengetahui sedalam mana seseorang telah memahami sebuah penjelasan yang sudah diberikan. Okay, so what is expressing opinion? Expressing opinion used to ask someone's opinion, like what they think or what they feel. Jadi maksudnya adalah expressing opinion itu digunakan untuk menanyakan opini atau pendapat seseorang tentang apa yang mereka pikirkan, tentang apa yang mereka rasakan. Okay, so in expressing of asking attention, there are two ways to express the attention. The first is formal and the second is informal. So if you want to asking attention in a formal way, you may use the expression like, may I get or may I have your attention please? Could you listen to me please? Excuse me, everybody, may I have your attention please? That are the expressing of asking attention in a formal way. And then if you want to asking attention in a informal way, you can use like, can I get the attention? Thanks. Look here. Look at me. Attention please. That are the expressions of informal way in asking attention. Jadi, jika kamu ingin meminta perhatian dalam situasi yang formal seperti berbicara kepada orang yang lebih tua atau kepada teman yang belum terlalu kenal dekat atau kepada orang yang tidak kita kenal, kita bisa menggunakan contoh-contoh ekspresi dalam kolom formal. Lalu sebaliknya, jika kamu ingin meminta perhatian kepada situasi yang informal atau yang tidak resmi, seperti kepada teman dekat, kamu bisa menggunakan contoh-contoh ekspresi yang ada pada contoh informal. Okay, so how to responses. In this asking for attention, there are some responses. As you can see in this video, there are some responses like alright, yes, what it is, sure, okay, go ahead. That are some example of responses for asking of attention. And then how about the expressing of asking comprehension? If you want to asking for comprehension, you can use expression like do you understand? Do you get my point? Is it clear? Do you have any questions? Any questions? Jadi itu adalah contoh-contoh ekspresi yang bisa digunakan ketika kamu ingin menanyakan pemahaman seseorang. And same with the asking for attention, the asking for comprehension it also have a responses. Jadi sama seperti asking for attention, di dalam asking for comprehension juga terdapat respon. Bagaimana cara kita merespon ketika kita yang ditanya. Nah, if you are understand with the explanation, you can use I understand what you are saying. I know what you mean. I see what you are saying. I know what you are talking about. I'm with you. Jadi itu adalah beberapa contoh yang bisa digunakan untuk merespon pertanyaan mengenai pemahaman jika kita mengerti apa yang telah dijelaskan. But if you not understand about what they said or what they explain about, you can use expressing lack of understanding. Jadi expressing lack of understanding ini digunakan untuk merespon pertanyaan mengenai pemahaman ketika kita tidak memahami apa yang telah dijelaskan. You may use like I don't get it. I don't follow you. I'm not sure I get your point. I'm not sure I know what you mean. I'm not sure I get what you mean. Jadi itu adalah beberapa contoh yang bisa kita gunakan untuk merespon mengenai pemahaman ketika kita tidak memahami apa yang telah dijelaskan. And then how about expressing of asking opinions? So if you want to asking someone's opinion, you may use the expression like what do you think of? What is your opinion about? Do you have any other idea? Please say something about my blah blah blah. Please give your view or opinion about blah blah blah. Jadi itu adalah beberapa ekspresi yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menanyakan pendapat seseorang. Seems like expression asking for attention and asking for comprehension. In asking for opinion, it also have a responses. If you are asked for opinion, you may use like in my opinion, blah blah blah. What I mean is blah blah blah. In my experience, blah blah blah. Almost everyone, blah blah blah. Some people say that, blah blah blah. Some people believe that, blah blah blah. As far as I'm concerned, blah blah blah. I strongly believe that, blah blah blah. If you wanna give some responses of opinion, it is important to put some reason why, because it can support your opinion. Jadi ketika kita ingin memberikan opini atau pendapat kita, alangkah lebih baiknya ketika kita memberikan juga alasan kenapa kita beropini seperti itu. Karena alasan tersebut bisa mensupport atau mendukung opini yang kita berikan. If you don't put some reason, it may lack someone's understanding and wrongly may hurt his or her feeling. So if you put some reason, the misunderstandings can be avoided. Okay, now look at to the example. Let's read together. I will read the A and then you read the B. Okay? Hey B, look here. I want to ask how to make this instant cup noodle. Wait, I don't get it. Can you explain it slowly? Yes. Yes. And then? Yes, I'm following. Oh, I see. Thank you, B. Okay, good. So, this is the example of expressing the attention and then expressing the conversation. Do you know where the part who contains expressing of attention and expressing of conversation? Yes, good. So the expressing of attention they are appear in a part, that is look here. And then for the expressing comprehension you can look at the part A and part B in wait, I don't get it. Can you explain it slowly? And then the B respond like alright. And then the B asks more like do you get it? And then the A answer or respond yes. But not only that, there are another expressing of comprehension in part B and part A. You may look at with me so far, and then the A answer or respond yes, I'm following. Okay, now look at these pictures. Do you know what is the names of building? Yes, that's right. It is Pollux Habibie or Meesterdad who plays in our city in Batam. Okay, so I want you to make your own opinion about this building. You can make your opinion in a sentence, paragraph, or you can use the dialogue and put the expressing of attention and expressing the comprehension. Okay, I think that's all for today. We will continue next week. If you have any questions, you can text me your questions. So goodbye everyone. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.